Hi guys, here we've got OPPO Reno 5Z, and let me show you how to reset app preferences and all app data. So at first, open the settings, go to additional settings, then pick backup and reset, and here go to erase all data. Here you will notice erase downloaded apps and their data, smoothly mark it, provide your screen lock password, confirm that you wish to perform this action, and wait until it's done. So your phone will be reset, and then you will be able to use it again with all apps reset, along with their data, obviously. So now just pick the language that you wish to use your device in, then select the region. Go with all user agreements. Connect to network if you wish. And that's it. Now you can use your device, and as you can see, all your apps data have been reset. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.